everyone, my name is Diana. I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant, a member in good standing with the ICCRC, Immigration Consultants of Canada Regulatory Council. And today, I'm bringing you one more immigration question of the day on my firm's YouTube channel. And today's question is, I'm not sure how to go about this. When I get into Canada and complete my quarantine, I would like to get straight into a job anywhere. I'm not sure how this works given I'm a foreigner, but I do have a PR application in since last March. Can anyone help? Thank you so much for your question. So, you do need work authorization to legally work in Canada. And the mere fact you submitted a PR application, that you have a PR application being processed, that mere fact, in and on itself, doesn't give you work authorization in Canada while the application is still being processed. If you were already in Canada, work permit that was expiring, then there will be an option to apply for a bridging open work permit, but that's not the case. It seems that you are outside Canada and the application is still being processed, but it's not finalized yet. So if you do want to come to Canada right now, unfortunately, it seems that unless there's information missing on this, but you probably wouldn't be exempted. It seems that you aren't exempted from the current travel restrictions to come right now. But either way, even if you were exempted from the travel restrictions, you still need work authorization to work in Canada, meaning you needed, in most cases, you need a valid work permit. There are situations when a person can legally work in Canada without needing to apply for a work permit. There are some work permit exemptions. Under the Immigration Refugee Protection Regulations, but in most cases, you do need a valid work permit. So while your PR application is being processed, that would be the way to go about it. In order to legally work in Canada, you will need a work permit, unless you are waiting to, you're going to wait for your PR application to be processed, and if approved, then when the border opens, being able to come to Canada and officially land as a permanent resident, and then after your quarantine, of course, if there's going to be still a quarantine at that time, still things are a bit uncertain on that, but you would be able to then apply for a job. But right now, while the PR application is being processed, no, that in and of itself does not give you work authorization in Canada. That's the fact you submitted a PR application. So contact us through the website below, Canada Now in .consulting. My firm's website. We do deal with work permit applications, so contact us to discuss your case in detail to see if you would be eligible for an LMA exempt work permit, or you need to an employer would have to go through the process of obtaining an LMA, so you can apply for a work permit, or if you're eligible for an open work permit, for example, right? So contact us so we can discuss your case in more details, so to see if this would be an option for you to come to Canada to work while your PR application is still being processed. So that's all. There wasn't enough information given, so again, these are different routes, different options, depending on specifics of your case. Contact us so we can discuss your case in details on a private consultation. And for all of you, again, feel free to contact us for our service. I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant. I'm trained and also licensed by the Canadian government to legally provide Canadian immigration advice and immigration services. So again, my firm's website is canadanow.consulting. And see you all tomorrow for another immigration question of the day. Bye.